So I'm Benjamin Hubert. I'm the founder of Layer, a strategic design agency in London. So my introduction to Cosentino started in Spain, visiting Almeria, going to the factory and seeing how they make their materials. We were introduced to a material called Dekton. Dekton is a material that does what Mother Nature does, but quicker, more efficient, under intense pressure. The time is a matter of hours rather than millions of years. Our installation, Raytrace, is a direct response to the process Cosentino use and the material they create in Dekton. So we take the idea of light, the way that light travels through water, through a droplet of water, and creates a caustic effect. And we take the idea of water, we take the idea of architecture, two things important to the process and the application of Dekton, and we combine it into our installation, really inspired by the size of the Dekton slab. So the idea of bringing back water, bringing back the outside, bringing back light, all the things that create nature around us and shape it, we like the idea that it can also shape Dekton again. So Raytrace is housed in an arch, in a vault in Centralia. We encourage people to touch the material, to interact with the furniture. The lighting effect will bring out the texture and the pattern of the Dekton material. We want to delight, we want to make people smile, we want people to come in and be surprised at the size, gravitas, and material qualities of Dekton.